How to edit passions in Tinder. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit or add your passions on Tinder application. So let's open up our Tinder, and now the only thing you need to do is go to your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen, and now just click the pencil icon on your profile picture, and here swipe down or swipe up, go down, and here you see the interests section. Click on add my interests, and here you can just choose whatever you're interested in. So let's go 5 things. Okay, everything's about sports. Let's say Fortnite, and you just click done in the top right corner of the screen, and again click done in the top right corner of the screen, and your profile has been updated with your interests. So basically that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.